Hey guys, we're going live today and we're doing, you got it upside down, silly. We're doing our Monet water lily and bridge painting today. That way, that's how it goes. And we wanted to show you guys how to do it. We did it earlier with a class, and so we are going to show you guys how to do it live today. I'm Kara.
I'm Casey.
Are you guys ready to get artsy? Okay, so let's start this off, Case, and see the painting we're gonna paint. Can you show them up close? Beautiful, 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 and it's super easy. Okay, so let me switch over. So you can see the clean canvas we have here, and what I've taken is just regular tape, like your tape that you use for wrapping presents, just a clear tape. You can get it at Walmart, dollar store, Amazon, whatever. And we just taped down a bridge shape. So we just took a piece of tape. Hang on, baby. We just took a piece of tape and we just taped it across, and then took another piece of tape and taped it across, and then took two small pieces for the bridge crossbars. So we're gonna get started. So all you're gonna need is paint. We're using yellow, green, blue, white, and purple. And we have these little sponges, no paintbrushes today, and a Q-tip. So this is all we're gonna need. Okay, Kaysen, you ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay, Kaysen's gonna show you all what we're gonna do today. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take this sponge. You're gonna wanna roll your sleeves up because you might get a little messy. And you're gonna dip your sponge in the blue. So dip it in the blue.
Okay. Blue.
And you are just going to sponge the bottom of the painting.
The bottom right here.
Yep.
Sponge. 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 Little more blue. Sponge. Sponge. Sponge.
You're gonna sponge the whole painting, so you want to go fast. You want to go like this. Sponge, sponge, but woo, 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 woo. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun. And then you're gonna go up. You can even go up into your bridge a little bit. Okay? So go all the way across the painting like that. Fast, fast,
Like
fast.
that?
No, all the way across this way. So horizontal. Good job. Just keep on adding the paint.
A little paint right here, right there.
Beautiful. Whoop.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Sponge.
So you can have your blue come up. You can have your blue come up in here.
Right there, right there, right there.
So it looks like there's water on the other side of the bridge. And you want to fill in any white spots you see. So down here you got some white spots. Good job. And over here.
A little more.
Okay.
A little more on this side. And then I'm almost done with the blue.
Good.
That's only the blue.
So what's the next step, you think?
Green.
Nope. The next step is actually adding some white to your blue. So let's just dip the same sponge with the blue on it into the white. And if we're adding white to dark blue, we're making a what, Kaysen?
Light blue.
That's right. So just blend that in there.
Light. Ooh. Light.
How fun is that? You like this project, Kaysen?
Yeah. Light. Dip. Light.
Beautiful. Over here, maybe?
Yeah. Boink.
Whoa. I think we're done with that sponge. Okay. So the next sponge we're going to use our clean sponge. You're going to grab yellow, and you're going to cover the rest of the painting yellow.
Rest painting yellow.
Uh-huh.
Yellow. And like all of the painting, right?
All from the blue up.
Okay.
You can go into the blue too, because it's just going to turn it. What is yellow and blue make, Kason?
Let me think here. Orange.
Orange. You trickster.
Green.
It makes green. You're
like
right.
This one.
Yep.
A little more dip. Big dip.
Uh-huh.
Da.
Keep going. You gotta cover that whole canvas. And if you're not getting a lot of paint, you can add some more paint.
Oh, like that. See, that's why you want to roll up your sleeves.
Keep going, it won't hurt you.
Na. Boing. Na. Uh-oh.
Here, you can even turn it around. Does that work better?
Yeah.
Okay, go, go, go.
Hopefully I have a napkin soon.
That's looking pretty, Kason.
Oh, I'm gonna roll my sleeves up more.
Are you ready to add the green on top of that?
Yep.
Okay, so add the green. So you're going to keep the yellow on there, and we're going to just dip it in green, and we're going to add green and cover that on top of the yellow. Yes.
And that makes... I'm not sure yet.
It just makes a brighter green.
I know.
So you want to cover it all the way to the top, Kason.
Doki, doki, doki. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Da.
Beautiful. And cover that yellow.
This yellow?
Yes.
Let's get a little more than
Go all the way down into the...
smiley face. Smiley face.
Beautiful.
A little smudge.
That's fine.
Smudge. This table sure is making a lot of noise.
Okay.
Dippy. Ah.
It's dry. It's fine.
Okay. Well, at least my paint on my arms are dry.
You think that that's good?
That should be good.
Okay.
One more.
So we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna put some green spots down here for our water lily. So you probably want to dip it in a little bit more green. And we're just gonna do those randomly. So I'm gonna like put a splotch right here, and we're gonna kind of smear it, and a splotch right here. We're gonna smear it, and then put some wherever you want them. Those are our lily pads.
Smear it. I will get smear, but smear it. It doesn't have to look that good, but smear it.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I would go over it and add a little bit more, like that, and then add a little bit more so you can see it, like that. One more?
Yeah, one more. I say one more right there.
Just really let the
Da.
that's beautiful. Gorgeous lily pads.
I can tell what we're doing next.
What's our next step? We're gonna add the purple with the Q-tip. So you're gonna just dip your Q-tip in a little bit of purple.
A little bit of purple.
And can I show you one for example, Kaysen?
Yeah, it's okay.
We're going to just smear some purple.
Smear. Some
on our lily pads. There you go, buddy.
Okay, thanks. Smear. A little bit more.
The next one.
Oh, next one? Okay. Smear.
You don't have much purple on that.
Let me see. That should be enough. Smear. Smear.
Beautiful.
Ooh, what are you?
Beautiful.
It's making turquoise for some reason.
Next one.
Smear. Why is it making turquoise? It's making turquoise. I know. It's not turquoise. I just kidding.
Beautiful. Okay. Oh.
A little white. I need to fix that.
Okay, you ready for the last step?
Yep.
Well, second to last.
Yeah.
So you're gonna add just a little bit of purple inside your trees up here. Just some little purple.
Little purple?
Little bit of purple.
Okay. Little bit of purple.
Okay. You want to see the big reveal, Kaysen?
Yep.
Okay.
This is the final step that I know what.
Hold the camera so everybody can see how awesome this is going to be.
It will reveal this.
Okay, gotta find the tape.
Tape it off.
Now, this one's really stuck on there. Hold on.
Yeah. Now, boom. Yes.
Here's part of it.
That's part of it.
It's part of our bridge.
There's still a little bit more.
I know.
There's still a little bit more right over there. Whoopsie.
Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is, Kaysen.
The bridge.
See how easy and fun that was?
Yep.
Okay. Let me show them this beautiful painting. See, they look really, really good. It's super easy. So now you know how to make a fun Monet bridge. You want to hold it, Kaysen?
Both of them?
Just hold yours.
Okay. This is mine.
Hold it up. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Good job.
This is my mom. Right here. She does good jobs on her art.
It's always upside down. Do you think the water's in the air? I guess that could be the grass. But yes. Okay, so thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Come bye.
Bye.
Bye.